3, 2, 1.
Which appliance bakes or broils food? The answer is C, oven. What is the largest city by population in Africa? The answer is C, Kinshasa. In the 1985 movie Weird Science, what color is the underwear Lisa is wearing when she first appears to Gary and Wyatt? The answer is D, blue. What is the force of attraction between two masses? The answer is D, gravity. What do sudoriferous glands secrete? The answer is B, sweat. I have a heart that beats in my garden. What am I? The answer is A, daisy. Which sport uses a puck instead of a ball? The answer is A, hockey. Rocks in warm and humid environments can be weathered faster than rocks in other environments. Which is most likely the next step in the rock cycle for weathered rocks? The answer is C, they become eroded. I am often found in a library but can't be read. What am I? The answer is B, bookmark. Oakland Athletics slugger Milton Bradley has been tagged with which of the following jock names? The answer is C, none of these. In the film Red Dawn, during his lesson, the teacher said that the armies would form a semicircle around their enemies, about the size of what U.S. state? The answer is B, Rhode Island. I'm broken twice as fast as I'm made. What am I? The answer is A, pencil. What is draping a technique for in fashion? The answer is D, wrapping fabric. Which of these sketches wasn't performed in the Monty Python Live at the Hollywood Bowl concert movie? The answer is D, marriage guidance counselor. I'm made from flour, water, and yeast, baked in an oven. What am I? The answer is B, bread. Who created the show Hawaii Five-0? The answer is D, Leonard Freeman. Which of the following is not a type of memory in a computer? The answer is C, cache. What word is used in the Nido-phonetic alphabet for the letter Q? The answer is B, Quebec. What is a traditional Japanese robe for formal occasions called? The answer is A, kimono. What type of meat is used for the preparation of the meal called shawarma, which is very popular in the Middle East, including Iraq? The answer is D, all of these. Which company develops Android operating system? The answer is C, Google. Which book contains the character Nettie Merrill? The answer is D, The Swimmer. Which wind instrument resembles a human nose? The answer is A, clarinet. I'm colored and used for counting, not money, not numbers. What am I? The answer is A, counters. Which fashion brand was founded by Coco Chanel in 1910? The answer is D, House of Chanel. What precious resource allows us to grow food as well as materials we turn into clothing and medicine? The answer is C, soil. Which kitchen tool is used for whipping cream? The answer is A, whisk. I am a number that is always hungry. What am I? The answer is A, infinity. What actress plays Annie Wilkes in the movie Misery? The answer is D, Kathy Bates. Which U.S. president is considered the father of the Constitution? The answer is B, James Madison. Which character from Doctor Who travels in a police box called TARDIS? The answer is D, the Doctor. What are indestructible and constantly in motion? The answer is C, atoms. Which characteristic is shared by all cells? The answer is A, they need energy. What are the mineral deposits that fill in underground cracks called? The answer is B, veins. Who would see better through an underground tunnel? The answer is D, a man with a candle and match. Which of these countries borders Ukraine? The answer is D, Russia. Which statement is true about Carlo Ponti?
The answer is A, all of these.
In the movie 101 Dalmatians, what is the occupation of Pongo's owner Roger Radcliffe? The answer is B, songwriter. What animal is known as the ship of the desert? The answer is A. Camel. Which theory suggests that our behavior is shaped by rewards and punishments? The answer is A. Behaviorism. Coal is a solid hydrocarbon formed from what type of decaying material? The answer is A. Plant. What was the first computer to use transistors instead of vacuum tubes? The answer is C. UNIVAC I. Who would find an Arctic environment most pleasant? The answer is B. Parka squirrels. How do platypuses reproduce? The answer is C. Platypuses lay eggs. Which country has the highest population density in the world as of 2008?
The answer is A. Monaco.
Who is the 2006-2007 Bowl Championship Series team winner? The answer is C. Florida Gators. Though I can talk, I need no tongue. What am I? The answer is C. Radio. A student leaves a bucket of water outside on a warm, sunny day. Which process most likely happens to the water in the bucket? The answer is C. Evaporation. Which was the first TV series regularly broadcast in color? The answer is A. Bonanza. What does a leaf need to do to absorb the most sunlight that it can?